Well, here we are at Warwick Racecourse for the Toy Festival. Now, it's great if you're here for that brilliant event. However, if you're not and you've just booked a quiet weekend at the racecourse, you might be slightly disappointed. We're on a pitch that overlooks the racecourse. Let's have a look. So obviously this is the plus side. If there's a racecourse on an event, well, you couldn't be any better situated, because you can see the horses go right past your window here. Look at that. And as I said, the event that's going on is just a stone's throw away. So the plus side, as I said, was the location when there's a race going on. However, this path, which I just thought was belonging to the racecourse, is in fact a public footpath, which obviously people who live in the village and teenagers do frequent. Last night we did have a bit of a disturbance, not a great one, no harm done. It's just when you're getting teenagers together about 10 o'clock walking along this, you know, windows are open, but because of a hot night you're hearing everything, and a bit of a disturbance round the van, not needed, but yeah, no harm done. So we'll take a walk around this very small site. It is small, I think there's only about 56 pitches, something like that. We're on a non-awning, obviously, area, which, yeah, a bit of a car park resemblance, really. But everywhere here has its pros and cons. And let's take a little walk round. Different sections around here. I would have preferred one amongst the trees in this blazing hot heat, but not to be. Motorhome service point has a drive-over grid, and obviously wastewater, drinking water. Does look a bit more empty now because it is Sunday, and a lot of people seem to depart earlier. The Thai Festival, you can see across the racecourse, is just packing up now. It's been very entertaining the last 2 days, but as I said, if anyone is here and they haven't come for the festival, well, they haven't had the most peaceful of weekends. But most people, like me, loved it, and the food was superb. Anyway, there's some grass pitches next to the hedge, and yeah, people are sitting outside now because there is a bit more shade and the temperature is bearable now. Let's walk around to the entrance and come in. That there is some kind of seating arrangement there, maybe a temporary stand or something, obviously for the races. There's just a couple of pitches where they ask you to sight your vehicle side on. It's a bit different, but yeah, we do see that in some sites. 56 pitches. Did I say that? Steve, you're repeating yourself. Steve, you're repeating yourself. Oh, it's quite nice actually now, walking in the shade. Oh, I can see a squirrel over there. That's a nice one. We haven't been here before, so this is the first time that I'm actually walking round. So you're seeing what I'm seeing for the first time. Doesn't take long to actually walk around this site. Before you know it, you're back at reception. Had a shower this morning and that was a very nice experience. No push button showers here. The amenity block, okay, a little bit older than most caravan club sites, but it's got it all there. There we go, let's have a little walkies. Dishwashing, drinking water, wastewater. I will be there later. Everywhere does look so nice when the weather's kind. Ooh. This is different. Wow, look at this. My gosh, I've never seen anyone like that before. Barefoot. That is incredible. Wow, I love that. Oh, these are better pictures, mine. Look at that, you got gravel. Nice. And you're backing onto some nice privacy hedges. Someone coming in. Oh, maybe he's changed his mind. He was good at the pitch, and now he's thinking, I think I'll go somewhere else. Ooh, I'm being followed. Well, from where we are, this seems like an entirely different part. I feel as though I'm on a different site now. Wow, look at the size on some of these. 16, that's a nice one, isn't it? Wow. Haven't seen any service pitches, mind. So, yeah, they do look as though they require a little bit of levelling, but that's nothing we can't sort out. And then we've done a full lap. We've done a full circle. And then, now I can see Homer. Yep. So there you go. We've had a good little walk round. We've seen a pitch that you like. Just pause the video, play it back. We got a nice pitch if there was a horse racing event on, but it is a public footpath. It is well used. The car park, the overflow, is in use. There'll be many thousands of cars here. We came in a bit early yesterday, wanted to gain access onto the Caravan Motorhome Club site, but it was before 1, so we were told, in certain terms, no entry yet. That's fair enough. It is 1 o'clock, it is what it is. So we had to park in the car park, which obviously the grass area wasn't ideal for motorhomes. It was very undulating, and I was a little bit concerned about grounding, but we did sort that out on a level area. But this morning we decided to skip the Thai festival and have a little walk around the town, and soon came across this wonderful quirky little pub find.
It's,